Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cynthia. If you're new here, kindly consider to subscribe, and if you're returning, thank you very much. So today I'm going to share on how to prepare cauliflower fried rice, and with me here I have my ingredients. I have my cauliflower, I have my red onion, I have my tomato paste, I have my soy sauce, and I have mixed vegetables, that is carrots and French peas. So let's get started. So I'll go in and continue grating my cauliflower, and at this point ensure that you're using the bigger side of your grater and not the smaller side. So I'll go in and add my vegetables and give it a quick stir and let it cook for a few minutes. I'll go in and add my cumin seeds, salt, and a little spices, that is mixed spices and some chilies. So I'll go in and start adding my grated cauliflower and mix the ingredients together. So at this point, just ensure that you continue stirring it up so that it doesn't get soggy. Please don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe to my channel, and turn on that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a video. I'll go in with my 2 pieces of eggs and beat them on the same pan. Then I will add my 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce into it and let it cook for a few minutes. I'll add a pinch of salt, then I'll start mixing the eggs together with the cauliflower. So at this point, just ensure that it is well mixed up to achieve good results. My meal is ready. So I'll go ahead and plate it up. It looks yummy, doesn't it? I'll go ahead and have a taste of it. And guys, So I'd like you to give it a try and tell me in the comment section how it turns out. So that's it for today, guys. See you in my next video. Bye!